Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use conditional logic in tally forms. Alright, let's begin. First, go to the tally forms website and log into your account using Google. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your dashboard where you can select an existing form or create a new one from scratch. After opening your form, click the Edit option to enter the form builder. Now, to start adding conditional logic, begin by creating your questions using the short answer field or any other input type you need. This is where you structure the basic flow of your form. Next, click the three dots next to a question to access more options. From here, you can choose the hide option if you want certain questions to only appear under specific conditions. Now set up the actual conditional logic by selecting Add Conditional Logic from the same menu. Choose the When condition to define what user response will trigger the action. For example, you can set it to trigger when an answer is not empty or matches a specific value. After that, use the Then dropdown to decide what happens next, such as showing specific blocks or revealing additional questions based on the response. Finally, preview your form to make sure everything works correctly and the logic flows smoothly. So that's basically how you can use conditional logic in tally forms. That's it for this video. Thanks!